So, welcome to a small unboxing video, really short one, but yeah, I hope you like it. Let us check what is inside the box of Xiaomi REDMI 12C. And let's go with the unboxing. Looks like they put a phone inside the box. Nice. So the phone looks nice. We have here on the right side we have three side buttons, the power button, volume down and volume up button, and on the back we see two cameras, the wide angle and the normal camera. So this model is with 64 GB and 3 GB of RAM. What else? So here we have this small tool for ejecting the SIM card tray. Inside here we can find some manual instructions. And then we have here a charger. The charger is, let us see the strength of this charger. It looks like it is 10 watt. Okay, so 5 volts and 10 watt speed. Then there is a USB cable. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It is not USB-C. The cable is just normal micro USB. Oh, that's pretty strange for a newer phone. And this is actually it. There is nothing else in the box. We have on the top, we have a 3.5mm jack for the headphones. So we still have a headphone jack on this model here, like you see. Okay. And then on the bottom, there is the microphone here, this hole, the charging port, which is micro USB, and this is the speaker. So nothing else. Once turned on, we see it comes stock with MIUI 13 operating system. So once in the phone menu, we can see how quick it is actually when swiping through the menu. So we see there is a lot of apps already installed here on the phone while coming here with stock firmware. So I believe this can be uninstalled to make the phone a little bit snappier. Let's check out the brightness. So it's kind of bright, okay. It kind of push up the contrast, and the brightness goes also, but yeah, I would say it's pretty bright. Okay, so the camera is okay. For here and there, taking some pictures. Not very sharp the screen, because it's not full HD. So the specification of the phone you will see here.